Is your Instagram app not opening or not loading properly? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several ways to fix it step by step. First, try the simplest fix. Close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes that's all it takes. If that doesn't work, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off again. This refreshes your internet connection in case it's a network issue. Next, check if the app needs an update. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see Update, tap it. Updating often fixes bugs and crashes. If Instagram is still not working, check if the servers are down. Open a browser and search, "Is Instagram down?" Websites like Down Detector will show if Instagram is having outages. If that's the case, you'll just need to wait until it's fixed. If the problem is on your device, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Select iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, scroll and tap Instagram. Here you can see how much space Instagram is using. Choose either Offload App Delete App. This wipes temporary files that may be causing the issue. Also, check if you're connected to a VPN. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management. If a VPN is active, you'll see it marked as connected. Since VPNs can interfere with Instagram, if nothing works, reset your network settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if asked, then confirm the reset. This refreshes your Wi-Fi and cellular connections. And finally, try a restart. Power off your phone and turn it back on. You'd be surprised how often that solves the problem. And that's it. One of these steps should get your Instagram working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.